Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight in the US, markets declined as private credit and software stocks came under pressure. The Dow fell 0.54%, the S&P 500 slipped 0.28%, and the Nasdaq lost 0.31% amid rising Iran-US tensions. The weakness carried into Asia, with Japan's Nikkei down 1.12% and the Topix lower by 1.18%, while Australia's ASX 200 edged slightly lower in early trade. In India, Nifty closed at 25,454 yesterday, losing 365 points, whereas Bank Nifty settled at 60,740, down 811 points. The index opened on a positive note but faced resistance near 25,870, which marks the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the recent fall from 26,342 to 25,372. Selling pressure intensified during the session amid rising geopolitical tensions and crude oil moving above the $70 mark. Technically, Nifty formed a strong bearish Marubozu candle engulfing the previous two sessions. For today, the February 16th low of 25,472, along with the 200-day SMA near 25,318, will act as a crucial support zone. A decisive close below this area could open downside towards 25,250 and even 25,100. On the upside, resistance is expected around 25,500, followed by the 40-day EMA near 25,673. Indian markets took a sharp hit yesterday, wiping out the gains from the past three sessions as investors reacted to the US-Iran tensions and a sudden spike in crude oil prices. Provisional cash market data showed foreign investors withdrew 880 crore rupees, bringing the month-to-date net inflow to 15,262 crore rupees. Nifty futures fell alongside a 2.8% increase in open interest, indicating a decisive short build-up. Conversely, Bank Nifty fell with a 7.3% decrease in OI, signaling long unwinding. The Nifty PCR plummeted to 0.7 from 1.22, while the India VIX surged 10.12% to 13.46, confirming a structural shift toward heightened nervousness. FIIs maintained a steady index futures long-short ratio of 0.3, but transitioned toward delta-negative option profiles. Proprietary traders remain cautious, positioning for a breakdown, whereas retail clients abandoned risk management for unhedged momentum. While the currency markets remained closed for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti, the USD-INR pair in offshore markets suggests a rupee gap up near 91.08. For the current monthly expiry, traders expect a range between 25,750 resistance and 25,100 support. Sectorally, Nifty Realty fell the most, down 2.56%, while Nifty Chemicals declined 0.46%. In F&O, Oil India Limited rose 5.19%, while Hindustan Petroleum declined 5.2%. On commodities, spot gold rose by 0.5% to $4,999 per ounce, extending gains as investors assessed a cautious Federal Reserve tone, firm US data, and renewed geopolitical tensions. Jobless claims fell to 206,000, highlighting resilience in the labor market and supporting underlying demand. Spot copper slipped 1.10% to around $5.73, trimming prior gains as a stronger dollar and hawkish Fed signals weighed on prices. Rising exchange inventories and subdued demand in China during the Lunar New Year holiday added pressure. WTI crude oil climbed 2.7%, supported by concerns over potential US-Iran conflict as both ramped up activity in the oil-producing Middle East. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.